Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to duplicate your project on a Capcut so that you can do another styling with the same videos project. So the things you have to do now is just go open the Capcut application, and this is okay, take a little bit process to open it. Okay, and this is the look whenever you open the Capcut application. And sometimes duplicate is used for creating the same video or the same sources on a project, but then you can like do another editing or different style of editing. So in the end you will kind of like able to compare those video. So to duplicate the project, you just need to find the project that you want to duplicate, for example this part, and then you just need to go click these three small dots here, and after that you just need to go click duplicate. And now you will have two types of project. So this one will be the first project that you have with the first style editing, and this one is just the same sources, and then you can open it and you just need to do another editing on this video sources. So that's the way how to duplicate a project on a Capcut. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.